Hi, 6th grade. Time to get your English notebooks and let's begin. You will need pens and highlighters to take accurate and legible notes in your notebook. This will be taken for a grade. Feel free to pause the video at any time you need to make sure that you have everything that is required. Now get to the chopper!
Sorry, I don't know why that keeps happening. Please label your notebook 12.1 Adjectives and Proper Adjectives, page 379. Definition. Adjective. An adjective is a word that describes or modifies a noun or pronoun in three ways. 1. What kind? We study Italian cooking. What kind of cooking? Italian. 2. How many? I went to 6 Cubs games this season. How many Cubs games? 6. And number 3, which one? This sandwich is tasty. Which sandwich? This sandwich. Next definition, predicate adjective. An adjective in the predicate that modifies or describes the subject. Example, this sandwich is tasty. We already went over this part with this sandwich, so the next part should be familiar to you. The verb is, what is sandwich? Sandwich is what? Tasty. Tasty is an adjective in the predicate that is describing how the sandwich tastes. All this talk about food and sandwiches is making me hungry. Okay, back to the lesson. Don't forget to write the definitions, the 3 ways an adjective describes, and a labeled example. A proper adjective is an adjective formed from a proper noun. Here are some examples. Avocados from California, but making it a proper adjective, we would say California avocados. A symphony by Beethoven, well, a Beethoven symphony. And the last example, food from Mexico, Mexican food. Yep, it's that time again to jot down your notes from this chart and the definitions.
Remember to bring your completed notebook to class the next school day for notebook credit and so we can review the skill in class. This is called flipped learning. Instead of being introduced to the skill at school, then practicing the skill at home, you are being introduced to the skill at home and the practice is done in school. Woo! This way I'm right there to help you and answer your questions while you practice and become stronger writers. Just a friendly reminder that if your video lesson notebook work is not completed, you will earn a homework notice. Hasta la vista. I'll be back.